hate to call you out, but most people are playing We Will Rock You wrong, and we gotta sort that out. So let's do that. I see an awful lot of this, or this, and sometimes this. Yeah, you're not technically wrong, but we can do better than that. So let's do it. It's super simple. You're going to play the two lowest toms you got at the same time, as well as the kick drum, twice. Like so. And then you bring both hands over to the snare drum and play it at the same time with both hands, but slightly delayed. One all the way up, one halfway up, drop them. And that is called a flam. And there you have it. It's that simple. And now you know. Isn't today a good day? You're welcome. If you found this video and you're brand new to drumming, then I can tell you right now, my friend, you are in the correct place, because I have so many videos that will help you out in your drumming journey. However, there are so many it can be a little bit overwhelming. So if you want a good place to start, I have a free ebook called The New Drummer's Toolkit. It will probably help you out a lot. It has all the grooves and the fills and the beginnings of rudiments that you need to know as a brand new drummer. It's also got block notation if you can't read notation, or the traditional notation. Notation. So if that sounds good to you, check it out. It also comes with video lessons for every single page. So if you need help, there it is. So check that out. The link will be either in my bio or in the description, wherever this video is, wherever it has found you. It was not by accident. I will see you again soon. Big love. Mwah.